You can use array's length property to figure out how many items are there in a particular array. I have names array here, and let's say if I want to find out how many items are there in names array, then I can use names length property. If I click on submit, it's going to print 4 because there are 4 items in this array. Now I can use this length property to figure out how long I should run a loop to get hold of each element in the array. Let's try to use a for loop for that. I'm going to start a for loop at 0 because that's where an array starts. And then I want it to keep on going until names.length because that's how long the array is. And then I want it to increment it by 1 because we would like to get hold of each element in the array. Now, if I want to access each element, I could use this index, which is going to change for each loop. I want to print these names in console log, so I'm going to say console log, and here I'm going to pass names. And to access each element, I'm going to pass I here, which is going to change for each loop. When the loop starts, it's going to be 0, it's going to print John. For the second loop, it's going to be 1, it's going to print Jane, and then Fahad and Monica. Let's refresh the page and open our developer tools here. And now if I click on submit, it's going to print John, Jane, Fahad, and Monica. If I add another element here, let's add Sherlock here, and then refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to print John, Jane, Fahad, Monica, and Sherlock. And it's going to print the new length here in inner HTML of demo 1 paragraph. So this is how you can use for loop and its index to loop through each item in the array by using its length property. In the next section, I'm going to talk about array functions.